Leeloo, it generates mesh from a cross-section drawing. Launch Bumarin. Press F8 to activate Leeloo. Press left mouse button to draw your clay. Select circle shape. Press left mouse button to draw your clay. Press enter to validate. Select box a shape. Press left mouse button to draw your clay. Press enter to validate. Press backspace to add the Leeloo proxy to the scene. Press left mouse button to move the proxy with the gizmo. Increase the count in the panel or with control mouse wheel button. Press right mouse button to generate the clay.